Guys, if you invest, then I am here to talk about an amazing app called Dhan. So this app you can download in the App Store as well as the Play Store, and obviously it is available on iOS as well as Android. So let's open up Dhan. Now guys, we have logged in to Dhan. As you can see, it will tell you hello and your name, whatever your name is, right here. Other than that, if you look over here, you have a live index that is going on. So for now it is set on Nifty Next 50, but if you want, you can change it right here. There's an arrow. If you click on that, you have a multitude of indexes that are available in India, and you can click on any one of them, anyone you like, and set it up. So let's, for example, select Fin Nifty, and you can see Fin Nifty has come up here. So what is this price? This is the ATM price or at the money price, and its profit and loss for the day. And if you come down, you have portfolio summary on Dhan. So whatever investments I have made on Dhan is available at a glance right here. So as you can see, we are in the all tab. We have profits, investment, current value. So whatever investment you have made, how many rupees of profit you have gained, and the current value of your investment, everything is available at a glance. Or if you want to look at it individually as stocks, mutual funds, you can do that as well. So let's click on stocks. You can see how much I have invested in stock, how much its current value is, or even mutual funds. It's all available at a glance. And here you have a toggle. So what does this toggle do? So it is currently set on overall, as you can see right now. If you toggle it, you can see that it has switched to today. So what is today? Today, it will show you how much profit you have made today, and how much loss, basically whatever profit and loss you've made for the day. So you can see stocks for the day, I have lost around 72 rupees or a rupee. So that way you can see everything. If you scroll down here, you can see there is invest or trade on stock exchanges, and in the equities tab you can trade on stocks. So if we click on that, so we have clicked on equities, and you can see we are currently in the top gainers tab. So top gainers for the day are these stocks, whatever stocks, and then you can see at the money price how much they have made for the day, whatever profit and loss they have made for the day. And here you can also see that there's a percentage, so whatever percentage of profit or loss it has made, so that is also available. Next to that, you have top losers. In top losers, you have all the stocks that have lost value. So again, you can see at the money price here and how much money in percentage as well as rupees of how much they have lost. And then you have 52-week high. So whatever stocks have been high for the past 52 weeks, 52-week low is also available. You can search by value as well. So that's great. If you want to buy by volume, you have all these stocks available, and only buyers and only sellers is also an option right here. And here you can see that there's a gray BSE. So if you know BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. So what does that, if I click on that, what does that do? It will basically toggle between National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. So these are the two kinds of exchanges that are available. So it will just toggle between them. If you go back, you have an option for mutual funds. If you click on mutual funds, you can again see your portfolio that you have made on Dhan, your profit, your investment, and your current value. You can again toggle between overall and today. So whatever overall profit you have made or overall loss you have made, or overall profit or loss you have made today itself. If you want to invest more, you can also click on top up. But if you click on this arrow, then you can again see all your mutual fund investments. If you have any SIPs going on, you have that as well. If you want insights, that's there as well. Then if you're looking for SIPs, you have options for high returns, index funds, top rated schemes, liquid funds, invest with 500 rupees, or large cap. So yeah, here you read it right that you can start your investment with just 500 rupees on Dhan. So you need not have thousands of rupees or lakhs of rupees to start your investments. You can just start with 500 rupees. So that is a great thing offered by Dhan. But if you click on index funds, for example, you can go and see all the index funds that are available. So you can see Nifty 50 funds all over this page. So why is that? Because we are currently set to Nifty 50 right here. If we click on Nifty Next 50, Nifty Small Cap, Nifty Mid Cap, we have all of those options available. You just have to tap on those or click on those and they will come up, and then you have the minimum value that you have to invest. In this case it is just 100 rupees, the returns for the category, and a percentage for returns in the past 3 years, as you can see right here. And it also has a star rating, so you can understand where it stands amongst its competitors. If we click on, say, the top mutual fund or Nifty 50 fund right here, you can see that there's a graph. It will show you how the fund is doing right now. Then you have options to select time as well. So it could be 1 minute, 3 minutes, 6 months, so on till 5 years, and the maximum duration that the fund has been active. So that's great as well. Similarly, you can go to top rated schemes and go through large cap, mid cap, flexi cap, small cap, all those things. Then if you want to discover new mutual funds, you can do that as well. You have discover by categories. So we have equity, tax saver, hybrid, and debt. So we have those options as well. And then we have top AMCs. So we have ICICI, SBI for now. So other than that, you can see all AMCs available on Dhan, and just click right here to view them. We have an option for NFOs as well, as you can see right here. And if you want to start an SIP, just scroll at the bottom, and here you can see you have an option to start SIP. Again, you can start with just 100 rupees per month, or you have schemes that will let you start investing at 500 rupees per month, which is awesome. So also you have your SIP section. So if you have any SIPs active, it will let you know right here. Then you have options for ETFs and futures as well. So if we click on ETF, once we click on ETFs, you have an indication right here, and you can see all the ETFs, and you can filter them with index, debt, bond, gold. Everything is available right here. If you want to see some other kind of ETF, you have an option for others as well. Then you can see there is options trading as well. So if we click on that, on the top you can see all the indexes. So we have Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Fin Nifty. We can just scroll through like so. Then we can just filter through expiries as well. August at the date of recording is almost to an end. We have September and October as well. We have top traded contracts right here. So whatever is trading at the top for now. So what is this? So this is basically your expiry date. This is your strike price, and whether it's call or put is also mentioned right here. And if you want to invest in an index option chain, we have that option as well. So for example, let's go on Nifty 50. Nifty 50, you can see obviously it will be written on top. It's at the money price. At the money price is also available, and again its profit and loss is there. Here also you can filter through the expiry date. So as you can see, 29th August is nearby. Then we have September options available as well. Here you have calls. So all the call options are available on the left with OI change and LTP change in one column. Then there's strike price. So the strike price is denoted here with a dark blue colored box, we can say. And again, puts are available on the right side of the screen with LTP change and OI change right here. And that if you want to see O is equal to high, O is equal to low, you can set that as well. It is just basically again a filter. So let's click on O is equal to H. So you can see all the O is equal to H options have been highlighted. Even if you scroll down, you can see all the O is equal to H options are highlighted and very easily visible. Again, if you go to high OI, you can see it has come up OI5, OI2. And then we have high volume and high 4 options also. So that is your options. And we also have more ways to discover. So you can go through AI gainers, AI losers, price gainers, price losers, and you can just make a very informed decision with those. Then we have stock options as well. We have top traded contracts, and so basically with stocks also you can do option trading. It doesn't need to be index or indices all the time. So here you can see all the stock options as well. So that was your home screen. Now we can go to watchlist. If you go to watchlist, here you can see there are multiple watchlists available. So what are watchlists? Let's go to Dhan FNO for example. So I have already made an FNO watchlist wherein I want to keep track of all the futures, option chains, indices. So you can add all the options or futures you want in a particular list, and you can just keep a tab on all of them. So I have made a list for scalping as well, for example. So I have IDBI Bank and Nifty Bank that I want to scalp with. If I want to make a new watch list, I can just click on this setting icon, and here you can see you have an option to add new watch list. You can just put in the name of the watch list right here. So for example, I'll just make a watch list right now. So I have named the watchlist YTG, and if I want to save it, I have a tick mark right here. So click on the tick mark, and here you can see a new watchlist has been formed named YTG. And as you can see, because we've just made it, it is empty. So if you want to add any stocks or indices to your watchlist, you can just say add to watchlist right here, or you can just look them up right here. So I'll show you how to do that. So let's just say I want to add his stock. So let's just, for example, say I want to add Tata Steel. I am not providing any financial advice, so it is just an example. And to add it, you have an option, a plus sign right here. If I want to save it, I can just press on the plus sign, and as you can see, because I have saved it, I have it in watch list. And once you added it in the watch list, here you have a bookmark sign that will also turn yellow to let you know that it is actually saved. Let's go back, and here you can see that it has actually been added in the YTG watch list. So if I click on this stock, here you can see the name of the stock, its price, and its profit and loss. Other than that, you also have the graph that will let you know whether or not you should invest. Then you have these options. What are these options for? They are basically just time frames. So let's say I have pressed 1 day. So what is 1 day? So it will let you know how the stock has been doing throughout this day. So if I click on 5 days, then you have a 5 day graph. We have 1 month, then 6 month, 1 year, 5 year, and maximum. So whatever maximum duration it can provide, it will provide. If you want to look at the chart, you just have to click on this icon. So if I click on this icon here, you can see a chart will open up. As you can see, the chart has opened up with Tata Steel. So here you can see this is the time and this is the price, and the green box will essentially indicate the price at which it is currently right now and the name of the stock as well, so that there is no confusion. Obviously the green indicates profit and the red indicates loss, or the prices have gone up and down. So coming back, so this way we have covered the watch list tab as well. And then we have the Dhan logo. What is the Dhan logo? Let's click on it, and it will show you your portfolio. So as you can see, your net worth will be shown here. You have an eye right here. So what is this eye for? It will basically hide and show your net worth, your stocks, your mutual funds, whatever money you've put into it, it will be shown or hidden. Other than that, you can also see how much money you have in stocks, your mutual funds. If you have any positions open, you can see them right here. Dhan has its own wallet. If you have any funds in Dhan wallet, you can see them right here as well. And you can also see how much cash I have in the bank. So this will be your linked bank account, and whatever balance you have in the bank, it will be shown right here. Then you have an orders tab. What is the orders tab? If you have placed any order throughout the day, it will be shown right here. So currently I don't have any positions open. So here you can see positions. So positions will basically tell you all the stocks or options that you have bought in the day. Then we have an orders tab. So whatever orders you have placed throughout the day, if it's cancelled, if it's sold, if it's bought, everything will show up right here. Positions will only show you whatever you have currently bought and possess. Then we have flash trading options as well. So here you can see there are multiple indexes or indices that you can invest in. So we have crude oil, gold, fin nifty, which are commodities, and then we have your normal indices as well, which are fin nifty, nifty bank nifty. All of those are available as well. So then we have bullish and bearish. So what are bullish and bearish, or who is bullish and bearish? Bullish is when you think that the market will eventually go up, then you are being bullish. If you think that the market is going to go up, you are bullish. If you think that the market will eventually or slowly or over the period of time will go down, then you are bearish. Then you have expiry dates here as well. So what are these expiry dates for? So you can basically have call or put options right here. So you can see in bearish you will have put options. In crude oil, currently we are in crude oil, so it will show you crude oil options. We have 17 September, which is the expiry date, and we have the strike price as well over here. So if I go to bullish, here you can see we have all the call options and ATM price. So that is the at the money price. Then we have its profit and loss right here and the margin required. So basically you will be required to purchase a certain number of quantity or units which will constitute of one lot. So you can buy multiple lots, but you cannot go below one lot. So for example, let's just say one lot is equal to 10 quantity. So if you want to go to 9 quantity, that will not be available. So you will by default have to purchase at least one lot, which will be a quantity of 10. And other than that, you have margin required right here. If you want to execute your order instantly, you have an arrow right here. You just have to slide it and your order will be executed if you have your funds in the wallet. If you don't have the funds, you can just add it very easily. Then you have an option for highest OI and top traded as well. So if we go to adjust tab right here, if you want to change something, because we are in the highest OI tab, we can just change the top OI right here. So we can go to second, third, fourth and fifth. So let's try doing, I have gone to third, and here you can see at the money price has changed. Profit loss will obviously change accordingly, and your margin required has gone down accordingly as well. And then if you want to again purchase it, you can just execute it instantly right there and then. We also have baskets. So what are your baskets? In baskets, guys, if you want to purchase multiple stocks or options or futures, you can all place it under one basket. These are your stocks, these are your options, these are your futures. All is placed in one basket, and you can basically go to the exchange and say, hey, I want to buy all of this. You can pay for it obviously, and then this entire order will be purchased or executed at once. So you don't have to go to one stock, purchase it, go to another stock, purchase it, or go to another future, purchase it. So you don't have to do that at all. So that is great. In Dhan, baskets is just a tab in the orders tab. So it is very convenient as well. If you have any SIPs, you can see whatever SIP is available. And say you have a 20,000 rupee SIP right here, you can see that as well. So it is very easy for you to manage as well. And then you have past trades. So whatever trades I have done in the past, you can see them right here. If I have bought them, you can see a green B. If I have sold them, you can see a red color S. So it will be very easy for you to even visually differentiate. Then you can see whether it is an intraday or whether it is a normal delivery purchase. You can also see the quantity right here, whether it was BSE or NSE. Currently it is NSE. And here you have the amount of money you had invested and at what price. Then let's go to the money tab right here. In the money tab, you are currently in funds. So funds will basically, remember how I told you that Dhan has its own wallet. So it will show you basically how much ever funds you have in the Dhan wallet. You can also add funds to your Dhan wallet from right here. You can just put in the price and you can transfer your funds from your bank account to the Dhan wallet. You also have an instant margin of benefits. So if you have pledged your stocks, your margin will be available. So if you want to pledge, you can just click right here. You can pledge your own stocks, whatever stocks you have purchased already. You can click on get margin. And here you can see I have two federal bank stocks which I can pledge. So if I click on pledge, this amount of money will come back to my wallet, and then I can go ahead and invest this in, say, stocks, equity stocks. Basically it will work with equity stocks, so it is easier for you to invest, so you don't have to worry about having funds, high amount of funds. If you're falling short, you can pledge your stocks, and then you can buy other stocks. So in future, if I want to sell this federal bank stock, obviously I will have to pay whatever margin I have taken from this stock, and then only I will be able to sell it. Otherwise I won't be able to sell it. If you have pledged any stocks, you can see it will come under pledge. If I have requested a pledge, it will also show up in my requests. Then if you scroll down, you have an option for all transactions. So whatever transactions till date you have made, you can see in all transactions. So here you can see whether you have withdrawn or added. Currently we are in 30 days, so we can go to a custom range. So let's just say I want to go to March. So I have gone from March to August. So since March, whatever funds I have added or withdrawn, you can see them right here in all transactions. So guys, if you have money in your Dhan wallet, you can also withdraw it towards your bank. If you want to transfer your Dhan wallet funds to your bank, you can do that as well. You just have to click on withdraw to bank. So all your money or whatever funds you have in Dhan wallet or a part of them can be transferred to the bank as well. If you want a ledger statement, that is also available, so you can choose a date and ask for ledger statements. Then we can go to trader's diary. So what is trader's diary? Here you can see it is currently set on month. So if you're a full-time trader and you want to see whether you made a loss or a profit in a particular day, or overall you want to see how you've been doing throughout the month, you can see it right here. So as you can see, we are currently in August. So whatever dates I have not traded, you can see it in white. If I have made a loss, it is available in red, and if I have made a profit, you can see it is in green. But how do you know how much exactly you have made or lost? So in August 2024, you can see all the days that I have traded. You just have to click on more right here, and here you can see your overall profit and loss, your net profit and loss, whatever charges you had to pay, your brokerage. So many platforms will not let you know how much brokerage charges you have paid, but in Dhan it is very clearly available how much brokerage you have paid and for how many trades. By the way, if you go to Dhan website, so I will show you it right now. So guys, as you can see, I have currently come to the Dhan website, and on Dhan website you can see that there is zero AMC and platform fees. So if I want to make an account, I have to pay a total net worth of zero. So I don't have to pay any charges for it. If I want to invest in ETFs or futures, I also have to pay a total of 0 rupees. So that is very convenient. If you just want to make an account, you don't have to pay any money or any kind of amount to Dhan. But what are the brokerage charges? So as you can see here, we have equity delivery. So what is equity delivery? That is basically your long term. If you want to buy stock and hold them for the long term, you have to pay nothing basically. So you will not have to pay anything to Dhan. You just have to buy and sell, and you don't have to worry about it. But then you can say Dhan also offers intraday trading. So what is the brokerage on that? So you will have to pay 20 rupees or 0.03% of your total profit, or you can pay a 0.03% of the total value of whatever you have paid. So guys, overall you will pay 20 rupees at the most for each trade, obviously. But that is the awesome thing. You will never go higher than 20 rupees, as you can see right here. As you can see, if 0.03% is lower than or equal to 20 rupees, you don't have to pay over it. But if you want to buy MTF, you can see again the same formula applies. You just have to pay 20 rupees or 0.03%, whichever one is lower. If you go to mutual funds right here, you can see account opening is absolutely free, platform fees are 0, brokerage charges are zero, commission is zero, and payment charges are zero. So basically you don't have to pay anything at all. So Dhan is very convenient that way, and it is a awesome app to use. So guys, that is why I have been using Dhan. So I have shown you a complete app tutorial and explained the brokerage charges, which are basically zero unless you are doing intraday trading. So if you like the video, drop a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.